Here we go. Let's walk through the all-new Medic. This is our flagship kit. This is what I like to call a hospital in a bag, basically. It has everything you're gonna need in here to treat well over 10 people, depending on their injuries. Another cool thing we've built in is the ability for more than one person to work out of this bag. For example, there are a couple pairs of trauma shears, several masks, several pairs of gloves. So more than one person can work out of this treating several patients simultaneously, which is super awesome. So this guy's made out of super high quality nylon Cordura, which means it's super rugged, very durable, and you don't have to worry about messing this bag up. You could throw it around, toss it in the truck, put it in the locker, whatever you're gonna do, and this bag will take it. It's super good stuff. Let me show you a few features of the bag itself, then we'll get into the inside of this bag. I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'm gonna lay everything out and you can check out exactly what all comes in this, because it's something like 550 some odd pieces of first aid equipment. This thing is amazing. So you do have this outside strap here with a loop on it, so you give that guy a tug, you can tighten everything down. It's pretty convenient. And of course, the snap buckle will release that. Our entire front panel here is Hypalon, so this stuff won't tear, very high quality stuff. And we did keep the MOLLE slots in here so you can run additional kits attached to here. You can use the slots to keep your trauma shears. You can run billy bands through here, all kinds of options. So we wanted to make sure we kept the options without the bulk of all the Velcro and the loops and everything that we've had in the past. We did keep a Velcro panel here, so if you wanted to run your unit patch, your name, any kind of identifying patch, whatever you want to do to customize the outside of this, you can do that. Both sides, we did retain some MOLLE capability here. That is on both sides. So again, you can attach different things there, other bags, little pouches, things like that. We kept all side handles, so we improved these, stitched them up so they're way stronger, and we added padding to them. So now all four sides of this bag are grab and go handles. So that is super convenient. Both sides have elasticized pouches. You can run things like water bottles in here. If you want, you can put IV bags in here. I mean, you name it. These have a lot of volume in them, so you can fit a lot of stuff in these pouches. Moving to the back, you've got the ventilated back panel here. So this whole bag was, when we redesigned this, we were thinking comfort and transportability. So it's very sleek, very comfortable. Again, you do have the ventilated foam piece here, the padded back or shoulder straps. You do have the elasticized sternum strap, so that's got some stretch to it, super comfortable. Everything on here is adjustable as well, to include the waist strap, which does have the Hypalon MOLLE. So again, trauma shears right at your waist, billy band, another little pouch, super versatile. And this guy will come out. It's got a Velcro piece in here, so if you don't want to run the waist belt like this, you can take that out, no problem. Also, if you didn't want to run the shoulder straps, these have tuck away pouches right up top, so you can tuck those in there and just have a grab bag with no shoulder straps at all. This in the configuration from us actually does fit in carry-on sizes. So if you're going on a trip, I've done this several times to where I'm landing and I have to get to work, you can totally do that. You can use this as a carry-on, get off the plane and go to work, basically. So super good size, super convenient, super handy, and we've just designed this thing to be very balanced. You'll notice just holding it up here with a lot of bags, you set it down or you hold it up and it has tendency to flop this way or that way. You can set this thing down on any side and it's gonna maintain it. Like I said, you'll see a lot of bags out there that you set it down and just flops over. It can be really frustrating, believe it or not. Another thing about the outer, you do have the nylon hangable tab here. So this will hang, it will carry its own weight off this, so that's super handy. Dual zippers with the toggles. So very easy to unzip this guy, open it up, and you're ready to get to work. All right, let's check out the inside of this. And I'm super excited to show you how we've changed this up. And I think you'll agree that the wayfinding in this is exponentially easier. So, open this guy up and you'll notice it's just like a book. You have pages. So, organization is spot on in this thing. We've created extra space in here for you to customize it with whatever extra equipment you want. We've got top and bottom pouches here that do have the see-through mesh. So for me, let's say I'd probably run meds in here, maybe syringes and needles, that kind of thing, or maybe IV tubing, whatever you can think of. You've got elastic on the side here. Again, the pouches top and bottom, and some extra space built in. Simply flip the page. Next panels, flip the page again, additional panels. The front is identical to the back in that you do have a top and bottom pouch. Side elastic to keep whatever you want there. We've left a lot of these open intentionally for your customization, however you want to do it. Another really cool thing about this is your wound closure items come in their own kit, and we'll check this out here in a little bit. But that is super easy. If it's just a wound that you need to fix up, you don't have to work out of this bag. You can grab this guy and go and simply work out of this. It's super awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and take everything out of this. I'm gonna lay it out so you can see exactly what comes in the Medic. Okay, so I've laid out just the first fold here. So when you open that kit up, this is just the first 2 pages. So this is an awesome kit. It's got so much stuff in there. Let's go ahead and get to it. You've got 5 sets of nitrile gloves. You've got hydrogen peroxide spray, some burn spray, Transcend glucose gel, 4 medication mods, 550 cord, 2 light sticks, a super bivy, 4 blister mods, 4 space blankets, 3 super wash, 4 clean and prep mods, 5 Cocos hydration mods, 4 treatment and relief mods, 3 burn mods, plus an extra large burn dressing, and 4 2-packs of hand warmers. Okay, so second fold, pages 3 and 4 basically. You get 4 compressed gauze, a soft T tourniquet, 3 rats tourniquets, 2 super skin bandage packs, so all shapes and sizes of bandages, 4 gauze mods, plus 2 large gauze mods, so this is all shapes and sizes of gauze, 2 6-inch emergency pressure bandages, 2 4-inch emergency pressure bandages, 3 packs of super skin extra large bandages, 2 quick clot gauze packages, and 3 bleed stop packages. This is a huge assortment of bleeding control. So here we have fold 3 or pages 5 and 6. You got your tape mod, so different sizes and shapes of tape, 2 tool mods, 4 zips 2-pack, 2 mini sprain and fracture mods, full-size trauma shears plus the mini trauma shears, pediatric and adult size C-collars, 2 sprain and fracture mods, 4 mini wound closure mods, a BP cuff and stethoscope kit, 2 2-packs of chest seals, skin stapler, a 5-pack of masks, oral airway kit, 4 instant cold packs, 2 adult size MPAs, and 2 pediatric size MPAs, 4 CPR shields, a staple removal kit, and a suture removal kit. And don't forget, this does come with the wound closure grab and go kit. If you want details on this, go ahead and check out what all is entailed on the website, as well as the specific mods that you're interested in that do come in the Medic as well.